Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log into Farm Heroes Saga with your Facebook account using your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or your tablets, this process will guide you through straightforward. First of all, unlock your Android device and launch open Farm Heroes Saga game on your device. Once you open up the Farm Heroes Saga game, go ahead and click on the menu button located at the bottom left corner. Now, click on My Profile. Once you click on My Profile, you will come across this page from where you can see the login options. You can either continue logging in with your Facebook account and get synced in to Farm Heroes Saga with Facebook, or log in with your King account's email. In this video, since we are trying to log into Farm Heroes Saga with Facebook, let's tap on Continue with Facebook. This will now take you to the Facebook sign-in page. Enter your Facebook account's credentials wherever needed and click on Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign in Farm Heroes Saga with Facebook. You will now see your Facebook profile picture in the game, and now your progress is synced. All you need is your Facebook account's credential and you'll be good to go. That's how you can easily log into Farm Heroes Saga with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.